Hi everyone, this is our lesson concentration group lesson plan on dance by Caitlin Callahan, Lauren Garcia, Barbara Gordon, and Alexandria Valdez. We decided to do a frozen ribbon dance. The lesson objective is the students will be able to perform a ribbon wand dance which promotes rhythm, coordination, the development of upper and lower body strength, and locomotor skills. We have our standard for dance, which is 1.18, perform rhythmic sequences related to simple folk dance or ribbon routines. For accommodation, students who are English language learners, we could create a poster with movements on it to make it easier for them than just words.
Our equipment we needed to do this project was a Bluetooth speaker, an iPhone or iPad with the song Let It Go, ribbon wands, and a poster with step sequences.
Our discussion questions we will ask the students to introduce the topic are 1. Have you ever taken a dance class? 2. Have you ever performed in front of anyone? 3. Have you ever learned a dance or routine before? And 4. If so, what was it? Our exit strategy will begin by having the students clear their desks and line up at the door. We will establish a head count and I will lead them to the auditorium. Once we get to the auditorium or field, wherever we are performing our routine, we will do a head count again to ensure everyone is still there.
Our first choice in location is an open field because there is ample room for students to move around. However, our second choice is the gym or the cafeteria. This is a beneficial choice in case the field has been booked or it rains, and it allows for open room.
Before we begin, we will lead students in warm-up exercises such as arm circles, hip rotation, and pointing toes upwards or downwards. We will gather students in a circle in a boy-girl formation and begin warm-up stretches before beginning the instruction of the step sequences.
Next, we will be introducing the 4 different step sequences, which are step close, shake and sway, waterfall, and locomotor.
We will proceed by playing the music while students perform the dance with no aid from the teacher. The teacher would observe to ensure every student performs the piece effectively. In order to do so, we can break students into smaller groups to further ensure each student knows the dance perfectly. At the end, students will hear the whistle blow 3 times, place the ribbon wand down, and participate in cool-down stretches. After the stretches, students will drop their wand in a bucket and line up at the door to head back to class.
The exit ticket, the last 2 students in line will take the equipment back to the classroom and put it in the cupboard.
Overall, our activity will be rated as successful. As far as our feedback goes, after instructing, demonstrating, practicing, and performing, we feel that we could split the students into smaller groups so that the format and instruction come across